Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an awesome day, and if you're new, welcome. I'm so happy you found us. Today is something fun and a little different because I'm inspired. It's beautiful outside. Summer, it's June now. Summer's only, 20 days, 19 days away, June 21st. And, you know, most people can, be with friends now and have outdoor dinners and indoor dinners and all that. So anyway, I'm super excited. I have some fun decor ideas that will maybe set your home over the top for summer. Maybe set a special, friends first over barbecue for the summer or whatever, or family get together. So come with me and let me share. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an awesome day, and if you're new, welcome. I'm so happy you found us. Today is something fun and a little different because I'm inspired. It's beautiful outside. Summer, it's June now. Summer's only, 20 days, 19 days away, June 21st. And, most people can, be with friends now and have outdoor dinners and indoor dinners and all that. So anyway, I'm super excited. I have some fun decor ideas that will maybe set your home over the top for summer. Maybe set a special, friends first over barbecue for the summer or whatever, or family get together. So come with me and let me share. Okay, so I know you can see the lovely painted, oh gosh, what do you call these? I just went totally blank. Clothespins. I know you can see the lovely painted clothespins on my desk. We have black, yellow, and black. So what the heck are we going to do with them? We're going to make the bee wreath. And I know you probably saw this last year where you take a wreath form and you take your painted clothespins and you put it all the way around, right? And then you attach bees. Most of the bees attached were little flat wooden bees. No, I didn't go there. I got some metal 3D super cute bees. And I'm going to glue them with E6000. And they're going to sit on here. And I have some bows. And I'm going to make it gorgeous. Okay? And it's going to go outside but after I painted all my little clothespins yellow and black, I also coated them so they could go outside in the weather. And I can hang this, on a fence and put some of my other bees on the fence around it. I could hang it from a door, my back door. So there's a lot of things I'll be able to do with it. Now, if you didn't see this last year, it's a wreath form. It's 14-inch wreath form. And it's 40 clothespins painted black, 40 clothespins painted yellow. You cut there's one more ring on this, and we cut it off. It was inside. And then you just put all your clothespins around. And between this line and this line right here, you can fit 8 of each clothespin, okay? So they go all the way around, and then you just tie your ribbon, attach your bees wherever, and you're done. Super simple, super great decor item for that. Like I said, that first barbecue with friends, that first barbecue with family. And I know you're saying, wait, I don't need to decorate. Just them being over is going to be enough. And I get it, but don't you feel like it should be an event? I mean, like plates and decor. Nothing to break the bank. Nothing to break the bank. Just something to make it even a little more special than it will be. Or if not, this is a great wreath to kick off summer too. Okay, but maybe you're saying, well, that is great, but I just don't have the money for that. Or maybe clothespins aren't my thing. I don't really care for that look. I've got you covered. Now, another look you could do with that size again, 14-inch, or this is a 6-inch. And this is just yellow and black fabric, and I made it into little knotted bows. And yeah, just do it all the way around. You could hang it just like that. You could put 2 strands of yellow and black ribbon to hang it on. You could add a bee. You could not add a bee because it's got a lot going on with all of this. Up to you. And all it costs you is the wreath form, which again is the 6-inch, and some fabric. Maybe you're saying, well, that's awfully cute too, but fabric's expensive. And you're right, fabric is expensive. So I've got another option for you. And this option, and you could do the fabric on the 14-inch too if you wanted to. Now this last option to do this wreath is basically using paper. All I did was took a piece of white copy paper, cut it long ways, okay, and I made it about 1.5 to 2 inches thick. And what I would do is I would paint the paper first. I'd paint both sides yellow, and I would paint some black on both sides, okay? Then you cut your strips, and all you do is bring it to your wreath, and you just... And on this one, you wouldn't have to cut out the center ring that I cut out. You could leave it, and it would bring it down to about, like, right there. Okay? And see, can you picture all of those around it? Then you're only out the cost of a wreath form. And you could do it on the small one. It would look just as good. Or maybe you're like, well, I know, but I still don't want to spend the money on a wreath form either. That's fine. If you have wire hangers and you're not too crazy about them, use a round bowl, bend the wire hanger around the wire pole, make sure you twist it together safely, maybe put some tape over where you have trimmed the hanger up, and then do this around the hanger. You will never know you're not doing a wire form. Super simple, guys. Lots of fun. It'll add that little special. Oh, and you may be going paper. As long as it's not raining outside, it'll be fine. Okay, or if it does rain, move everything inside. But it's going to be fun. Eliza, I think it needs to be a special celebration. First friends over, first family over. Yeah, it's a bee celebration. Or it's just, I'm happy it's summer. It's warm here. I love summer. So it needs to be a celebration. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how I'm doing this wreath. It's, like I said, super simple, but all of them are super simple, and there's one for every budget. Okay, so I have 2 sections done now. I'm going to go to the third, and this is black, so I'm just alternating black and yellow clothespins. And you just kind of put them on, and then once you get them all on for that section, you kind of tweak them around. It goes fast unless you've painted. Ow! Ow! It goes fast. Do be careful though if they stick together because you painted them and you try to, pop them apart. I keep pinching my fingers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that down and see if I can. Okay. Okay, so I ended with 2 black ones in the center, and I'm going to show you what we're going to do. I got this great wide bee ribbon that I picked up last year, and I'm just going to lean this, and I'm going to tape my ribbon right over those 2 that are the same color, and I want a lot of ribbon, so I'm going to cut it really with a lot. I probably have extra, but we want a lot. So, I'd rather trim than not have enough. Okay. And I'm on the 2 that are the same. And what I'm going to do is Okay, so there we go. That's not bad. And then I'm going to come back with some more ribbon and hook it through the back of my bows right here and make the loop to actually hang it on a door or a hook or a tree, wherever I decide to hang it. So I'm just going to turn this around and thread this through the back of this. And then tie this in a little knot. Okay, so I've got all of that just ready to hang. Ta-da! My bow's still kind of funky, but I will work on that. Now, let's attach the bees because they're going to have to stay flat and dry. And I'm going to use one little bee. I have different size bees. I'm going to use the little guy. And I'm going to stick his feet down in the... Okay, so there is our wreath, and I will put a picture, I will post a picture when these guys dry, okay? But that's how the clothespin wreath. Okay. And again, if you don't want to go to the trouble of painting the clothespins, or maybe that just wasn't your look you want, you know, the fabric one is going to look amazing when I get it all tied, and I will post a picture. Or the paper one would look amazing. Just do you. These are just suggestions, just ideas to help kick off your summer. Maybe you don't like bees. Maybe you're going to do something else. Dragonflies would be adorable too. Leave me a comment down below. I'd love to hear what you made. And take care, guys. Have a great rest of your day. And I'll see you tomorrow.